Alright, we're here at Kure Beach at the Seascape Hotel. And we're going to go in and do a room tour. Pretty close to the beach, as you can see. Just to walk out there. We're in room number 7.
Who is it? Hello.
Okay, room number 7, and as you can see, turn the light on. We've got a tiny little couch, and a bed, and this is $150 a night, and it is Thursday night. Here's the little bathroom all sealed up. It's not bad, $150 a night. It's
That doesn't include fees.
beach access. Okay, no fees. So what did it cost after you paid everything?
I got it right here.
Scared to ask.
I know. It's not what they tell you when you call them on the phone. $179.67.
$179.67 was the total after all the blah blah blah.
They're gonna clean up after you gotta leave by 11.
And the air conditioner is really cold. That's good. The bed's clean. And like I said, you got real close beach access. So we're in Wilmington.
Carolina Beach.
We're at Kure Beach.
We're like 20 miles south of Wilmington.
20 miles south of Wilmington. So, but most places have a 2-night minimum. That's what we were running into. Here's the pool. And there's the beach. So we'll just walk right out there real quick. But yeah, most places, 2-night minimum. We should have called before we got here, honestly, and made a hotel reservation. We didn't. We thought we'd just wing it when we get here, figure it out. So a lot of places didn't have vacancy. Alright, here we are. There's the pier and the beach. It just got through raining, so we're at 130 North Atlantic Avenue, Kure Beach. And just that quick, we're here on the beach. So it's a good spot, but I mean, you're not going to find anything for less than $150 this close to the beach. That just is what it is. You're lucky you found anything at all, honestly. So I'm going to take this moment to ask you guys to like and subscribe. We do adventure videos. And it really helps if you, oh look, there's a little bird. If you just click the like button or leave a comment. And if you guys go to the beach in North Carolina, let us know down in the comments where your favorite place to go is. Thanks so much for watching our channel. We really appreciate it.